Hello friends, and welcome to another segment of Island Girl Foods TV. So today we are in sunny Jamaica for the ultimate flaky crust Jamaican chicken patties. So remember that curry chicken recipe? That's what you'll be using. And I happen to have a lot of leftovers, so I decided to teach you guys how to make my famous Jamaican patty. And I have extra mutton curry as well, so I'm also going to use that. So I'm going to teach you the secrets of how to make your patty dough without any leavening ingredients. Because what gives this patty such a flaky crust is butter. Butter, doing it puff pastry style. So I dust off my French cooking books and went back to basic, and here you will have the best patties of your life. Trust me on this. So if you're ready, hit that subscribe button and remember to like and leave me any comments and ring that notification bell so that you'll be alerted every week as I upload new videos. So if you're ready, let's go. So getting started, we have 4 cups of all-purpose flour. I have 2 tablespoons of my very own curry powder mix, 2 tablespoons of ground turmeric, 2 teaspoons of fine sea salt. I have an egg set aside for my egg wash and half a cup of cold unsalted butter cubed, and I have 1 2/3 cup of cold water. You will also need to set aside 2 cups of unsalted butter that is frozen and thinly sliced. So we'll add the flour to a bowl of my stand mixer along with the spices, the salt, and I'm just going to turn it on the first speed to mix the ingredients together. And then here's where we add those cold cubes of butter, so essential. And then we're going to gradually add in our cold water. With the mixer on the second speed, allow it to form into a dough ball. And then we're going to dust a clean surface with flour. Add our dough and knead. I'm going to stretch it out into an 8-inch square and roll with my rolling pin. Roll it about 20 inches lengthwise. And then remember that thinly sliced frozen butter. We're going to add those to the center of our dough, and we're going to fold in to overlap and cover the butter. Then we're going to roll again. Remember to dust with flour so the dough doesn't stick to your counter or your rolling pin. And then we're going to fold 1/3 way in and overlap with the other side and roll again. We'll fold it again 1/3 way in and overlap into a 3-fold, then wrap with clear plastic wrap, and we'll refrigerate for approximately 2 hours. To prepare the patties, remove the chilled dough from the refrigerator and dust your countertop once again with flour. Roll out the dough into 20-inch rectangular lengthwise again. Remember to dust with flour. We can cut the dough in half and set aside 1/2 back into the refrigerator. Use your dough press or a bowl to cut out circles out of your dough. Set aside on a sheet pan lined with parchment paper. Working with one dough at a time, roll it a little bigger to fit your dough press. Press down on the sides and add about 3 tablespoons of your filling. Brush with egg wash and fold with your dough press to make the perfect patty. Repeat with the other circles of dough and set them aside on your baking sheet. Mark your mutton patties, if using, with a different food color. Now it's time to bake these bad boys at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 30 to 35 minutes. So my flaky, tender, fully loaded chicken and mutton patties are finally out of the oven, and now it's that moment of truth. So bear with me as I just go into this crust to show you guys the filling. And when I say fully loaded, I mean just that, fully loaded. Caribbean curry chicken patties with delicious Caribbean sweet potatoes, guys. And here is our mutton for those lamb lovers. And guys, remember to just hit the link for my curry chicken recipe. There's the mutton. Which one should I try? Well, it's all about this flaky, delicious curry chicken patties today. So and also hit the link because I have amazing dipping sauces. My bell pepper dipping sauce, not too spicy, just the perfect balance. And also my delicious mango jerk sauce recipe. Amazing, guys. So remember, follow me, subscribe, and every week I will bring these sensational recipes to you. And remember, when it comes to Caribbean cuisine, nobody does it better than your island girl.